Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I co-wash and detangle my hair in this video. I'm going to be using the Garnier Whole Blends Nourishing Conditioner. So you're going to need a spray bottle with water. I like to co-wash my hair with wet hair, if that makes sense. Yeah, so co-washing is just like conditioner washing. I'm going to use just conditioner to wash, so no shampoo. And as you can see, my hair is really tangled. So yeah, so as I said, I like to wet my hair before I put the conditioner on. So I'm just wetting my hair. Super tangled. And then you're gonna section off your hair. I section mine in 4 quadrants. And sectioning your hair makes it easy to work with instead of doing the whole thing at a time. Like doing it in sections is so easy. So I'm working on the first section here. Just spray it with water, just water. And this conditioner smells so good. So you're going to put the conditioner on that section of hair. Just make sure every strand of your hair has conditioner on it. And just scrub your scalp like I'm doing. Because you want a clean scalp. Just like washing your hair, but yeah. And to detangle, I use my white tooth comb and just comb from the bottom, the ends to the roots of my hair. And this conditioner is so good. Like it made detangling so easy. It's like it melted away all the tangles. Yup. So a good way to know that your hair is like really detangled is when you like ran your fingers through it and it doesn't get caught. And that's what I got with this conditioner. See? Hey. So after you detangle the section, I just twist it up and put it in a bantu knot just to, put it away. So I can work on the rest of the sections. That's so disgusting. So I'm gonna show you again. I already wet my hair, so you just put the conditioner on. Make sure every strand has some conditioner on it. And then scrub your scalp or wash your scalp. And then we're going to detangle. Now I divided that section into 2 so I can really detangle it well because it was a lot of hair. And it didn't take too long. And see, my hands went through them. I get so happy when that happens. And you're going to have some shedding. That's totally normal. Again, twist it up and then put it away. So I have half my hair done. I'm going to do the other off camera. I have all of my hair with conditioner now. I'm just unraveling it to show you what it looks like. Your girl is thirsty. So this is what it looks like after, and just to show you like a comparison of what it looked like before and what it looks like now. Yes, and my hair was so soft and it smelled nice. So I just washed my hair. I just washed it with water and I'm drying it now. I use an old t-shirt to dry my hair instead of a towel. And this is what my hair looks like without the conditioner in it. It felt so soft and it looks so shiny. I like this conditioner. It's a thumbs up for me. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.